Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a comment on your Roblox community forum posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on forum comment notifications using the Roblox mobile app so you can stay connected and up to date with every conversation. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the More button. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping More, a new menu will appear. From here, scroll down until you spot the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open up all your Roblox preferences and controls. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Notifications and tap it. This is where you can manage all the different alerts and updates Roblox can send to your device, helping you customize what you want to be notified about. Next, within the Notifications section, find and tap on Mobile Push Notifications. This area lets you decide exactly which types of notifications you want to receive on your phone. Scroll through the list until you see Community Forum Comments. Now, all you need to do is toggle the switch next to Community Forum Comments to the On position. When the switch is active, you're all set. From now on, whenever someone comments on your forum posts or discussions, you'll get a real-time notification straight to your mobile device. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and you'll always be in the loop with what's happening in your Roblox community. If you ever want to adjust your notifications again, just repeat these steps and customize them however you like. Thanks for watching. Now you'll never miss out on important conversations or replies in the Roblox forums. Stay connected and enjoy your Roblox experience even more.